Morning everyone. I'm back home now from my visit to see Mike up in Old-on-Tarney. Got a job to do. Got quite a nasty puncture there. A piece of eucalyptus wood's got in the tyre. Anyway, see if I can fix it rather than buy a new tyre. I've used these before in the UK and they work pretty well, so we'll see. I mean, that looks like quite a large hole. It's not just like a screw or nails gone in there. I'll have a go at that and see how I get on. Well, it wouldn't come out, so I had to push it in. So it's going to end up rattling around in there if I can manage to fix it anyway. But it's quite a big hole. I doubt whether I'll manage to repair it. See how big that flap is. Anyway, let's have a go. So what you do anyway, you get the rubber solution that's in the kit here. Get it all wet around there. Wet the eye of this needle. Thread the repair bung through the needle, again coating that with the rubber solution. You push it in about 2/3 of the way. Obviously make a U shape with that, and then you pull it out quick, and hopefully it'll leave the bung in there. Anyway, let's have a go. There you go. Not looking good. Oh, morning everyone. Well, nearly afternoon now. What we had here is a classic failure to communicate problem. Now, when I was in the army, obviously as a mechanic, you'd get the old bullshit that would come up from the drivers of whatever vehicles they were driving, operating, equipment even. Oh, this happened, that happened, I didn't do this, I didn't do that. You get used to all the bullshit stories, and any good mechanic knows what's really gone on. Right, with this motorbike, we borrowed, or we lent, she borrowed, Mimi's youngest sister, and she's been using it. Obviously snapped the belt a while ago, whinged a bit that she had to pay for a new belt. Well, you're using it. Anyway, now it's come back and the engine's seized. Now she's blaming Mimi's son, and Mimi's son's blaming her. I'm blaming both of them anyway, because at the end of the day they've had it for a few months and they've never checked the oil. So what's happened? You know, there was no oil in, and it's seized. Right, so what I've just done anyway is I took the spark plug out, and I've been spraying that down into the cylinder, and I've got some bicycle oil, chain oil in there, and I've put that in as well. I've managed to move it. Just let me put another dollop in there. Down in there. Oh yeah, well I'm at it. That tyre repair I did the other day didn't work. I didn't think it was gonna. So I took it off to a dealer yesterday, and got a professional plug. So took the tyre off, did it from the inside. It's all been tested, no leaks, so it's good to go back on. But I've got this to do first, and I'll adjust the chain while I'm at it, while it's off out of the way. So managed to turn the crank here. It's still pretty hard to move. Right, I've got it to move, but it keeps tightening up. really need to try and get the engine to start, which will pump the oil around the galleries and it'll splash up underneath the piston skirt, but that don't feel too bad at the minute, so I'm going to whack the spark plug in and see if she'll fire up. Alright, let's try it. Oh yeah. Move that out of the way. And battery charger. Bit tappy. Tapping noise sounds top end, so not to worry. It's better than having a loud clunking sound, which would be a big end bearing. Could possibly be a small end bearing actually. As you can see with this, the old wheel, the hub's loose on the splines there. While I've got it up on a stand, I'm going to see if I can take up a bit of that play. It ain't going to get any better. Just remove the split pin from the lock nut. Yeah, it was tight anyway. But so anyway, it's a 24mm socket. That's it. See, it's not, and the splines are pretty meaty. And they're not, there's no real signs of bad wear. Yeah, it's just good to see it's not going to fail anytime soon. Pigging spider webs everywhere. Yeah, put my head in. Yeah, spider eggs. And there. They get bloody everywhere. Right then. Nothing else to do now but that chain. Right then, I'll give that lock nut a proper tighten, a Yorkshire tighten, and nothing now. So that's good. I'll give the other side a go while the wheel's off, because that's a tiny bit loose. Like I say, I've got this chain adjusted now. See that there? That's the pickup for the speedo. There's a sensor. So you've got 4 locking nuts, screws, bolts, whatever they are. Well, this one's a screw. You loosen. There's one here, that one there, and this one here down the bottom. Just have to turn the axle to expose them, then get the ratchet on there. So better to do while the wheel's off. Just get them nice and loose. There's that one down here. Ah, you swine. Just turn the engine till I can get to it. I'm on it there. Right, nice and loose, so they should move easily. So anyway, these are the adjusting nuts down here. Got one this side and one this side, and then I'll do like half a turn on each one to pull the chain back. So I'm happy with that adjustment. Got about 1 inch. Right, I've just removed that split pin. Let's see how tight this one is. Yeah, that's topped it up. It's just, and I've got a hole lined up for the split pin to go back in, which is good. That'll do it then. Just took that little bit of play out that was in there. Right. Next thing, put the split pin back in, and then loop the chain. So I've got the old spider spray, what I use on all the bikes now. It's good stuff. I had to get Mimi to rev the engine up to get the chain spinning. And spray it. Just rev the engine up, Mimi, will you? No, yeah, go on a bit. A bit more, come on. Come on, come on. Keep going. Right. There you go. Job's a good one. Yeah, that's enough. We'll put the wheels back on and go give her a test. While I'm at it, I'm going to test all the chassis bolts. Not done them for a while. Make sure everything's tight. Right then, wheels are back on. It's just a case of removing the bricks. Let it down. Next project I've got, I've ordered a tailgate gas strut for here. So that's on order from Lazada. We'll see how we go when it gets here then. And that is that, I think. Like I say, hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Yeah, right. Bye now.